Hey, this is Scott. Welcome to your virtual video walk around. Love this truck. If you're in the market for a truck, the 16 F-150, right here, stock number is 7314. On this virtual video walk around, you're going to be able to see this truck up close and personal, as opposed to looking at static photos. Taking you down the exterior passenger side. This is the FX4 Off-Road Edition. This truck has had a 150-point vehicle inspection. It's a 4x4. It's got the backup camera, Bluetooth, and a clean Carfax history report. We're going to take you and put you in the interior in just a second. No rips, no tears, no stains. Look at the ample legroom in the back, transporting friends or family. Or maybe Fido the dog, who knows. Easy access to all your controls within arm's reach. Fully loaded. This truck's not going to last long, so do me a favor, actually. Call, email, or text if you're interested. We'll be happy to answer any questions. Most of all, we look forward to earning your business. And we hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day. Take care.